Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is ND Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make files or folders undeletable on your Windows computer. When I say undeletable, obviously anything can truly be deleted. There is a will, there is a way I would defer to. But for just about anybody in a normal situation, you just don't want to accidentally delete a folder that might be on your desktop or something, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by actually going ahead and deleting this folder just as an example. So I'm going to just right click on it and delete it, so you can see that's gone. So we're just going to go ahead and create a new folder here. So I'm just going to call it my folder, and you want to go right click on whatever folder or file you want to protect and select properties. Now you want to select the security tab. You want to go select the advanced option, select add, select a principal, type in authenticated users, and select check names, select OK, check mark where it says full control, and then select OK, select apply and OK. Now there should be an authenticated users folder now underneath group or username, so go ahead and left click on that and then select the edit option. Check mark inside the first box underneath deny where it says full control, and then select apply. Select yes, so you see Windows security pop up, select OK, select OK again. Now if you try and delete this folder, it won't let you, so you'll need to provide administrator permission. You notice it is not letting us delete this folder. Pretty straightforward. You can do the same process on a file as well. So if you want to delete this folder at some point, so you can right click on the folder, select properties, select the security tab, and then underneath edit, just left click on that, and then select allow, select apply and OK. Again, we were selecting the authenticated users option when we selected edit, and now just select OK. And now if we try and delete the folder, it will let us delete it. So very straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.